Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to disconnect Google Photos from your gallery. You'll need to open Photos, and then at the top right area you're going to tap on your avatar or your Google photo right there. Then select Photo Settings. Then at the top you can see Backup. You're going to tap on Backup, and here at the top also it says Backup Photos and videos in your camera folder. You can see that it's currently toggled on. Now, if you want Google Photos to disconnect from your gallery, all you'll need to do is to toggle this off. Now, from this point on, any photos you take in your camera folder will not be connected to Google Photos. However, this does not delete the photos already backed up previously. But this is to show you how you can disconnect Google Photos from your gallery. If you'd like to delete the photos from your Google Photos, of course, you'll need to go over to photos.google.com, sign in to the same account you've always been using, and delete the photos right there. But this is how you can disconnect Google Photos from your gallery.